I've got my Spring GoldieBox, so if you want to see what's inside, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. That little guy back there is Bandit, and Chloe is just on the phone gossiping with one of her friends. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. All right, so this is GoldieBox for spring, and it just came in a day or so ago. Now this box is fully customizable, and there aren't categories. There are just however many items. I think this year or this season she did 12 items. I believe we had 12 items to choose from. And then depending upon what size box you want, bronze, silver, or gold, gold being the most items. I believe we pick 7 items, and then there are 3 surprise items in there. There's also a surprise bear, which is non-customizable. It's 3 items, and that's like the least expensive. But this is put together from Jess over from Everything Proof. So she's another YouTuber who wanted to do a box that really spoke to, you know, her own values. She works with small brands. She works with only cruelty-free brands, not necessarily all vegan, although she does have some vegan brands in here, but it's not all makeup. There is home care, skin care, home items. There's a family-friendly option. So she really puts a lot into these boxes, and she's a one-person show. So once she gets the orders, she's going to hand pack each of these boxes. And then for every box purchased, she donates to a program that plants 1 tree for every box purchased. And each season she chooses some tissue wrap that goes with the season. So spring, flowers, right? And here is the little, so again, this isn't categories, it's from all 12. You choose. If you're a gold bear, you choose the 7. For my first choice, I thought this was a really interesting thing. It's a salt and pepper shaker, right? But you put them together like this. And I just thought that was so interesting. I usually use the type that you do this with, but my mom uses this type, and I thought, you know, what a nice kind of refresh for the home, something simple. And this is by Bamboo Switch. It's a $12 value. Next, from Bella Pierre, I thought this was so cute. It is a set. You have the translucent powder and this little kabuki brush. How adorable is that? This is a $45.98 value, so $46 value. All right, so there is another look at that brush. And it says it sets your makeup, leaving behind a silky, shine-free complexion. Next, by Howard's, are these drop earrings with these little blue crystal-like beads. And there was also an option to get this with red beads, and then these were gold, but I kind of liked the blue and silver. You could have gotten both as well, but I decided to just go with one. This is an $18 value, and the metal there is like a hammered bar, and this is nickel free, and it does have little things to hold them in. Next, by Sass, I have, this is their banana cream scrub. These are handmade, so it's a small company. It's a $14 value. There are no imitation scents or chemicals. It contains vitamins and fatty acids to hydrate, as well as sugar to exfoliate. Oh, it smells like mushed banana. Like, you know, when you mush a banana up to make like a smoothie or something, that's exactly how it smells. So that is nice. Next, from Upcircle, is their face oil, and this has coffee, rosehip, and jojoba plus sea buckthorn, rose, and raspberry seed. It is 100% natural, vegan, and upcycled. And this is a $25 value. It says here in this little description that it's made with top quality Arabica coffee grounds sourced from London-based artisanal coffee shops. So what they're going to do is they're going to recycle or upcycle them into a beauty product. There's probably also the maybe the raspberry seed. I'm not really sure. Maybe also an upcycled item. It doesn't say. But this is going to help with those dark spots and hyperpigmentation. And here's the thing with this stuff, you don't have to just use it on your face. You can use it anywhere on your body where there are dark spots, or, you know, if you have it on your hands. For me, it's under here, so it's a perfect product for something like that. Next, by Plant Life, is their candle, and this is in cactus flower. I don't recall if there were 2 scents or not. Usually she does 2 scents. This smells so good though. So clean. And then my last item is by Modern Skin Alchemy, and this is a tea tree hydrating mist. $25. It has tea tree oil, which is going to promote refreshment and alleviating blemishes without compromising skin's hydration. And it is all sealed up, so I'm not going to unseal it because I'm not ready to use it. So some other options that you had to choose from. There was a by Klee Cosmetics is a melting lip powder, so it looks like a powder in the bottle, but when you take the doe foot applicator out, it's actually creamy. I have had that before. The colors just weren't flattering for my skin tone, so I didn't choose that. There was also by Deep Steep, that was an $18 value, by Deep Steep Clean Beauty. At a $15 value was a travel trio of shampoo, conditioner, and grapefruit bergamot body wash. So again, those would have been travel size. From Easy Home was a 3-piece kitchen set with a gray floral design. So that was really cute. It had a wooden spoon, a cotton tea towel, and a cotton pot holder. And it was very pretty, but it wasn't something that I really needed. Again, with the Howards, you could have gotten that also in the red with a gold hammered design. And the pot holder set was $17. From Huppy for a $24 value was a plastic-free, fluoride-free alternative to traditional mouthwash. They were like little tiny, I don't know, squares. And I don't know if you put them in water. I wasn't really sure what you did with them. And then the family-friendly option, valued at $12.95, was an origami step-by-step book. Okay, so now let's get on to the bonuses. So the first bonus item is from Bella Pierre, and it is the Peach Lip Mask. This is a $20 value. I've had this before, really enjoy this, so I'm really excited to see this as one of the extra items. If you were a silver member, you would additionally have gotten this soap from Green Daffodil. I got Beach Breeze, and this is a $5 value. This definitely looks like a handmade soap. And yes, it says scents may vary. Full of hydrating oils. It's made right here in the US. And it is cruelty-free, obviously, if it's in this box. It has coconut, olive, and palm oils, essential fragrance oil, water, sodium hydroxide, and dried herbs. So you can kind of see dried herbs in there a little bit. And then for the Gold Bear, you get all three. The third item you get is by Blush, and it is this pineapple bottle opener, super adorable. And that's valued at $12.99. So tell me your thoughts. What were your thoughts about this box? There were less choices, but I still found 7 items that I really was excited to try. So I do like that she always seems to be able to pick out just the right things for everybody. And it's so interesting to see the different variations. I know sometimes, I'll have the same as some folks, but not everything the same. So it's nice to see the variations and to hear people's feedback on what they thought of each product. Okay, well, that's all I have. Tell me, what was your favorite item, or was it one of the ones that I described that I didn't pick? Let me know in the comments down below, and please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. It is all totally free, and hopefully I'll see you soon.